Everyone keeps saying cold email is dead. It's not. It's different now. AI changed everything from how we send to how people respond. If you are still using 2022 tactics, you are invisible. I run cold email campaigns for agencies, SaaS, real estate, consultants across different markets. In 2025, I have seen patterns. Some tactics are completely useless now. Others are working even better if you know how to use them. This video breaks it down. Let's start with what's dead. Pray and pray blasts to 10k leads with no targeting. Generic sequences like quick question or saw your profile. Buying cheap leads from random databases. Tracking open rates like they actually matter. Obsessing over warm-up tools while ignoring your offer. Why is this stuff dead? Because AI filters are smarter. Prospects are busier and attention is more expensive. So what does work? Three things. None of them are shortcuts. Number one, smart targeting. Target based on intent. Look for signals. Raised funding, hiring, posting content, launching something. Use clay to qualify the lead, not just scrap. Number two, proof-driven copy. The copy should feel human and useful, not salesy, not desperate. Use short case studies, real results. Speak like a peer, not a pitch bot. Number three, hybrid personalization. Use AI to personalize, but verify manually. Mention a stat from their site, a recent event, or something specific, but not just pull the data from any kind of AI tools. Even you are using clay, but not using the personalization effectively and using the personalization line on the first line and that's it. There is no relevancy, within your email copies. That won't work too. So you have to use your personalization very wisely in your copy. If you're sending volume, tools like Smartlead or Instantly, they will work, but don't rely on them to fix your offer and lead quality. Your inputs matter more than your tools. Cold email didn't die, it evolved. If you adapt, you win. If you're still guessing, then let me know in comments. I'll break down what works in your niche. Also subscribe to the channel. Very soon, I'll be uploading videos on clay, personalization, and how you can use AI into your outreach campaigns.